Marcus at Hyundai of Greeley presenting the 2008 G35X Infiniti. This is an extra clean car, has 98,000 miles. This is a V6 all-wheel drive, sunroof, leather seats, navigation, heated seats. Here's a picture of the trunk. Your spare tires underneath this mat. Again, this car is very clean for the year model. It does have a CD changer as well. Close the trunk there as you see the backup camera. Alloy wheels, brand new tires. There's a shot of your interior. Again, very clean. Does have navigation. There's your clock, steering wheel controls, heated seats, dual side temperature control. At Hyundai of Greeley, 2008 Infiniti G35X with 98,000 miles. We'll see you soon.